It's not just the kids, it turns our teachers on as well. It gives them a new way of looking at how to teach writing, an exciting way of teaching writing.
For a lot of us, when we've been through school ourselves and then through our teacher training, we're taught, outcomes, we're taught structures. This is what a narrative looks like, this is what an information report looks like. And I think what I love when I come here, or I've got a facilitator with me, it's kind of breaking that down and getting kids to not think in such a structured way.
The way our teachers are viewing another teacher, having an opportunity to make those observations of somebody else teaching with a very engaging style. So there's the pedagogy for the teachers.
We've got a curriculum that we know we have to teach, and we can become quite rigid in how we plan our lessons and the expectations and outcomes we have. But I find when kids are engaged and thinking creatively and working collaboratively, we're already ticking off all the curriculum points that we need to do, and it kind of just becomes effortless. But it's a learning process, I guess, to take the training wheels off yourself as well and the structures that you normally use.
If you're a principal and you're helping your team or facilitating this, get out of that office, get into that classroom and watch the magic unravel in front of your eyes.